Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow internet on your Windows 11. So a quick one, come to your Windows icon over here, locate settings. Once you locate settings, you then wait for them to finish loading up. Then come to networks and internets. Once you come to networks and internet, come and click on advanced network settings. Then on the advanced network settings, you'll need to locate the Wi-Fi settings. So click on this one over here. Okay, so you can see over here, you come and click on more adapter options. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, come and select this one, which is TCP IPv4. Select it, then click on properties. Okay, so once you click on properties, go ahead and come and click on advanced. So you have to make sure that it's in the subnet mask over here. Then also here, come and click on this. Use the following IP addresses. Now here, you have to put the following as it is. You have to put 88. Okay. You have to put here 8. Then here 8. Then also here 8. Then here 82. Then here you have to put 8. 8. Then here 4. Then here 4. After doing that, click on OK and your Wi-Fi will then, internet speed will then work very, very fast.